Hey there! Are you ready to turn your gaming hobby into a rewarding side hustle? Imagine earning anywhere from 50 cents to $120 just by playing games on Google Play. Yes, you heard that right. Playing games can actually pay you. With thousands of games available, developers are constantly looking for players like you to test their apps, provide feedback, or even join exciting tournaments. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, there's a golden opportunity waiting for you. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to start earning today. I'll show you everything you need to know. And don't worry, it's easy, fun, and open to everyone. So grab your phone and let's get started. First, open any web browser on your phone or just launch the Chrome app. Type in freecash.com and hit enter. This site is your gateway to earning money by testing apps, playing games, and taking surveys. Check out the amazing offers. You can earn $5 for Netflix, $60 for Dice Dreams, or $2 just for TikTok. Pretty cool, right? Freecash.com is legit. With over 150,000 Trustpilot reviews and 116,000 ratings on Google Play, plus 10 million downloads, this platform has earned a solid reputation. Signing up is easy and free. Use your email, Google, or Facebook account to get started. On average, users cash out in just 17 minutes. Yesterday alone, the average user earned $45, and Freecash has already paid out over $50 million. Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose an offer. Head to the Earn page and pick tasks from companies promoting apps, surveys, and products. Step 2. Complete the offer. Most tasks are quick, taking just 5 to 10 minutes. Thousands of users are already earning with these offers. And Step 3. Get paid. For each task, you earn coins. 1,000 coins equal $1, and you can cash out your earnings via PayPal, Visa cards, Amazon gift cards, crypto, and many more. Freecash.com offers 3 fantastic ways to earn money online. First, you can play games and earn anywhere from $50 to $120 per game. Second, complete app offers and get paid $1 to $75 per apps for testing them. Third, participate in surveys and earn up to $1 for each survey you complete. It's simple, fun, and rewarding. Let me tell you why Freecash is the #1 site for making money online. First, it offers the highest payouts. You can earn way more than on other platforms because Freecash is all about helping you maximize your earnings. Second, it provides instant cash outs. Need your money right away? No problem. You can withdraw your earnings almost instantly, starting with as little as $2. And third, there are daily bonuses. You can climb the daily bonus ladder, make it to the leaderboard, or maintain a streak to earn extra rewards, all for free. With features like these, it's no surprise Freecash is the go-to platform for earning money online. Now let's install Freecash on Google Play. First, head over to the Google Play Store app. Search for Freecash. Install this app. After installation, tap Open to launch the app. Now simply create your account and log in. First tap on Task and then choose a game to play. You can select from the recommended section or from featured offers. If you want to find the highest reward game, then simply head over to Featured Offers and then click on View All. Now tap on Filter, go to Sort By, and select Highest Reward Game. Tap on Device option and choose your device. Now here you can see the highest reward game. Simply tap on the game you want to play. Once you tap on the game, first you can see the Rewards section. Here you can know how you get paid to play the game. Now here you can see if I complete 11 chapters in this game within 25 days, then I will earn $60. Just scroll down the page and head over to the Steps section to find complete information. Now tap on the Play and Earn tab to install the game on our device. Tap on Install. Tap on Play. Now play the game and start to earn. Next, tap on My Offers to view all the games you've started playing. Now tap on Rewards to claim your daily free cash. Tap on Cash Out. Here you can see all your earning balances. You can withdraw through Stake, PayPal, Google Play, Amazon gift card, Apple gift card, Visa card, bank transfer, crypto. Now tap here and go to Affiliates. Scroll down and now copy this link and share it with your friends and family to earn commission. You can earn up to 30% commission on your affiliate earnings. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you have any suggestions for future content, let me know. Until next time, stay safe, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.